Hey guys, I've reached the last etude in this book, which is a kind of satisfying feeling. I hope you've been following me along on this journey of 30 etudes. There is another book that he wrote. It's a little bit more complex material, also more advanced etudes. So I'm not sure if I'm going to record it yet. I haven't decided. Maybe I will, maybe not. So we'll see what the future brings. As of right now, it's not in the plans. So we'll see. But thank you again for following. Thank you so much for subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed, then this subscribe button is down below. Please click. Thank you so much.